Hello ladies, gentlemen, people of the internet and robotics teams alike. My name is William and welcome back to our team's Weekend Rewind. This week is going to be a bit different due to some unfortunate weather. Most of our team was not able to come in, so instead of me talking about what happened this week, we are going to be going down to our shop to interview people that were able to come in so that everyone knows what we were up to for this week. So I'm here with Jay Amin, one of the few members that was able to come in every day this week. Tell me a little bit about what you and the programming team have done.
What me and the programming team have done is we've tried on one of our previous robots, we've tore it apart, and we're trying to build two robots this year. So our main robot and a robot for our programming team to test it. So I've been going through trying to fix the bugs, trying to figure out what's wrong. And that's what's been happening with the programming side. Just trying to get another bot up and running so we can have another bot to play around with.
That's pretty interesting. Is it to help newer recruits, or is it just to practice before we get our actual robot going ready for the game?
It's a little bit of both. Since we don't want the new recruits to practice on our new bot just yet, since it's not finished, we can have them practicing on our old bot, and we can use that bot for prototyping. So we can use it to prototype our winch, our drivetrain, etc.
Okay, that's all the questions I've had. Good luck in programming and yeah. Okay, and now I'm here with Erin Fogarty that's going to tell us a little bit about what Build Team has done this week.
Okay, so for Build Team, we started out, we built a fully functioning chassis for this year's robot, and our drivetrain is finished, and then we took apart 2015's robot, and we actually modified it so that it would be the same dimensions with the same drivetrain. So we have a couple robots to work with this year. And then after we finished that, we put in a base plate and reinforced our chassis, and then we added brackets for our hex shaft that our intake arms are going to be on, and we made the intake arms, and now we're working on a roller track for our shooter, and we're prototyping a climbing mechanism, so we got quite a bit finished this week.
That seems like really good progress. Has any of this been taught to newer members of the team?
Yes, it has actually. Our drivetrain and our chassis was mostly put together by a couple of first years, Gracie and Isabella. They worked on that a lot, and we also have had younger members that have been working on the 2015 bot to make it look like the one we're building for this year. And also we had a middle schooler come in yesterday and did really well, Cole, and he'd be a great asset on our team.
That sounds good. Thank you for the update, and hopefully we'll continue this progress. The people that were able to show up this week worked really hard so that the rest of us wouldn't fall behind. And they even managed to capture a few videos and pictures that helped with the making of this video. Other than what they've told you, that's all the news for this week. Big thank you to our sponsors, Eastman and Baldor, and we'll hopefully see you again next week.